What are you teaching us today?
So it's one of the things that we've kind of always had at home since I've come to India, and we discovered it here. Obviously, I've never had it until I came here. But it's Makhana, and
Okay.
it's something that I'm so surprised that more people don't eat this and make this. Hi guys, this is Chef Kelvin, Cheung, and Bodhi Rai. Welcome to Pooja Dinger's channel, and today we're gonna show you how to make Makhana delicious. You know?
I'm very excited that you're going to do some sweet makhana with us.
We
yes,
are.
Bodhi!
Are you ready? Ready. Yeah. You need makhana.
Yeah.
You need sugar, or jaggery, or honey, or maple syrup, whatever you have available, whatever you have ready. We're gonna make a caramel on the stovetop, and then we're gonna toast our makhana as well. To your pan, medium heat. Once it's hot, you can add your butter. I'm adding the makhana to the pan. Yes. Just give it a quick mix. Depending on what flavor I'm doing, this is at the point where I would season it a little as well. Just because I want it to have some flavor, whether it be savory or sweet. And especially when you're doing something sweet, you always need that pinch of salt to give it balance, right? So even now I would put just a slight pinch of salt just to give it a little bit of flavor. Try to get it as even as possible. That's the only reason. It does take a little bit of attention, otherwise it tends to burn on the side and you'll get uneven crispiness. Turn on our saucepan so that we can get our caramel going. A splash of water so it looks like wet sand. That way it's easier for it to make a caramel. And I'm pretty sure, I think my makhana is ready to go. It's all even, nice golden brown. Okay. Half a teaspoon of salt so it has a nice balance. And then to stop the cooking, have your butter ready. We're gonna add a tablespoon of butter to this to stop it from cooking further. Okay. Okay. And then we'll stop the caramel from cooking any further. And we're gonna drizzle it straight on top. That once you've drizzled your caramel over your makhana as evenly as possible, you're gonna have to move pretty quickly. Give it a quick toss, otherwise you're gonna end up with these giant clumps and it won't be evenly coated. And once you've evenly coated and tossed your caramel all over your makhana, you're gonna quickly move it to a even tray.
What do I need for the chocolate makhana?
Use your favorite chocolates, cocoa powder, and again, a pinch of salt. For every cup of makhana, I'm gonna use about approximately 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and chocolate, use whatever you want. If you to your pan, medium heat. Once it's hot, you can add your butter, get that nice and foamy. Then you're gonna toss your makhana in that and just gently toast it again. So while we're waiting, I'm going to cut my chocolate up. I'm going to chop this up into somewhat approximately ½ inch pieces. You don't want to go too small, otherwise it'll completely melt and it'll get your makhana soggy again. Now I'm going to add my cocoa powder. Okay, give that a good toss to make sure it's evenly coated. And while you're mixing the cocoa powder to coat that, this is when I would add the salt as well. Give that a good mix. Now the trick here, before you do anything else, once your cocoa is completely incorporated over your makhana, is to be patient and wait. So now you have to wait. Once it's cooled off, then you can mix in your chocolate and then you're ready to go. Toss our chocolate straight on top. We'll give that a good mix. And we're ready to plate. Okay, so you see the nice different chunks from the chocolate. please follow me on Instagram at Chef Kelvin Cheung. And don't forget, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.